Hi, and welcome for another video. Today I want to show you how you can track your link with the APM system. But what's the use of tracking your links? It's simply to know where your leads are coming from. So to track your link with the APM system, you simply go to RPM Hub, your funnels, and then you click on Generate Tracking URL. You choose the page you want to track. Say we want to track capture page number 4, and then here you enter your tracking code. So your tracking code can be whatever you want. Let's say we want to put that link on Facebook. So here I will enter Facebook. Then I click on Get Link and the system will generate a link with your tracking code. So you see here T equals Facebook. Facebook is your tracking code. So now you copy paste this link where you want the link to be, so in Facebook. And then when you go to RPM Hub Your Leads, in the tracking column, you will see here Facebook. So you can see where your leads are coming from. So I hope this video was useful. Don't hesitate to ask me questions if there's something you don't understand, and like and subscribe.